Now we can see that 16 unit plant and animal hormones. We will see only the plant hormones and animal hormones in the next section. Okay. Plant hormones. Plant hormones are organic molecules that are produced at extremely low concentration in plants. These molecules contain morphological, physiological and biochemical. These are plant hormones are organic molecule which is produced extremely in low concentration in plants. Only few amount of concentration. If 80% of water is produced, then 5% of hormones are produced in the plant, and it is very biochemical, so stimulated. Types of plant hormone. There are 5 major classes of plant hormone. That is, first one is auxins, gibberellins, cytokinins, abscisic acid, ethylene. Among these 5 hormones, auxins, cytokinins, gibberellins promote plant growth, while abscisic acid and ethylene inhibit the plant. That is, they don't allow the plant to grow. See, this is the plant. Controls the cell division, cytokinins in the leaf and gibberellinic acid. Growth of stem, auxin. Growth of fruit, gibberellins. Auxins were first plant hormone discovered. The term auxins was introduced by Kochel and Hangard. Auxins are produced at tip of the stem and roots, where it migrates to song of elongation. Venn experiment. That is, they are saying about the auxins. Auxins are everywhere. In 11th standard, you will study about this very detailed manner. Venn experiment, which when a Dutch biologist demonstrated existence of an effect of auxins in plants. He did a series of experiments in coleoptids. In his first experiment, he removed the tips of that is the shoot, and the cut tips did not grow, indicating the tips produce something where essential growth. The further tips are not grown. In his second experiment, he placed a agar block. Agar means a solidifying agent, which is occurred from the sea algae, blue cyanobacteria algae. In his second experiment, he placed the agar blocks. This is a solidifying agent. This is widely used in plant tissue culture for dissipating the coleoptids. The coleoptid does not show any response. In his next experiment, he placed a detached coleoptid tip on agar block. After an hour, he discrete the tips are placed in agar block and dissipating coleoptid. From his experiment, he responds a growth named auxin means grow. See this. First, inside the leaf, they have agar block placed germination of the oak seed. That is, when you cut the tip of the agar, it won't grow. When you place the tip on agar means a solidifying substance, on the tip of the net, it does not grow. But if you leave it freely and the thing it grow, it means the Abraham Venn experiment. It proves that auxins are found on the tip of the plant, and when it inhibits, it does not grow. So auxins was found in the tip, and cytokinins was found in the root. Type of auxins. Natural auxins. Auxins produced by the plants are called naturally produced auxins are called IAA. Synthetic auxins. Artificial synthetic auxins are called synthetic auxins. Example 2D, 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. 2,4-dichloro. That is, second and fourth group, chlorine group is attached. Phenoxy, phenol group, phenol acetic acid. When anywhere placed in the phenol ring, acetic acid is placed. Psychological effects of auxins. Auxins bring a variety of psychological effects in different plants of plant body. That is, auxins promote elongation of stems and coleoptid, which makes a growth. That is, which causes the elongation of the stem. Auxin induces root formation at low concentration and inhibit high concentration. At low concentration, it promotes the formation of growth, and at higher temperature, it inhibits the growth of the root. Auxins produced by auxins break the apical dormancy of the bud. Dormancy means the dormant, they don't grow. So it breaks the apical dormancy. Seedless fruits without fertilization are induced by parthenocarpy. This Alexander Fleming. Auxins prevent the formation of abscission layer, that is one layer which inhibits the growth. Cytokinins. Cytokinins means cell division, promotes cell division. It is for cytokinins that promote cell division so that fast growth will occur. Psychological effects of cytokinin. Cytokinin induces cell division in presence of axin. Axin need, because the axin does not promote bud or apical dormancy. Cytokinins also causes cell enlargement. Both axins and cytokinins are essential for formation of new organs from the cell tissue, is morphogenesis. Lateral bud, promote the growth of lateral bud in presence. Lateral buds that produce laterally. Application cytokinin delays in the process of aging, that is Richmond-Lang effect. This is an important question. The aging process will be delayed by applying cytokinin. This is called Richmond-Lang effect. Next, gibberellins. When scientist Kushwara observed Bangan disease or foolish shielding disease in rice crops. This induces form of fungi Gibberellina fujicornea. The active substance was identified gibberellinic acid. Serious psychological effects of gibberellins. Application of gibberellins on plants stimulates the extraordinary elongation of internode. What is internode? The bud nodes. Distance between the two nodes are called internodes. Nodes means the place where the stems or roots are arises. So it stimulates the extraordinary elongation of internode. So blotting. Treatment of rosette plants. Rosette means that they are dwarf plants. With the gibberellin induces shoot elongation. Elongation of the shoot, when gibberellins applied, it is certain elongation. It is called blotting. Gibberellins promote the production of male plants in Cucurbitaceae. Cucurbitaceae, it promotes Cucurbitaceae cucumber family. Gibberellins breaks the dormancy, seed dormancy in potato. Gibberellins are effective than axins in inducing the formation of parthenocarpic fruits. That parthenocarpic, the fruits developed is not due to fertilization by high temperature and due to genetic constitution. Absaric acid, ABA, it is a stress hormone which inhibits growth and causes dormancy in seeds. Physical psychological effects. ABA promotes abstinaceous, that is separation of leaves, flowers and fruits from branch. During water stress, drought condition, ABA causes stomatal closure, that is stomata will close. What is stomata? Stomata is often excess of water which will flow as a transcription. Excess of water will be formed. So it causes stomatal closure of the stomatic transpiration. ABA promotes sensations in leaves by causing loss of chlorophyll. Loss of sensations in leaf. By losing the chlorophyll pigment, ABA induces bud dormancy. When bud dormancy happens, what happens? The lateral portion of the stem won't grow. ABA is a powerful inhibitor of lateral buds growth in tomato. Powerful growth inhibitor and stress hormone. Ethylene. Ethylene is a gaseous plant hormone. It is a growth inhibitor, mainly concentrated maturation of ripening of fruits. Psychological effects. Ethylene promotes ripening of fruits. Ethylene inhibits elongation of stem. It has sensation of leaves and it has stimulation of formation of abscission zone. Ethylene breaks the dormancy of the buds from the storage, breaks the dormancy of the buds. So there are 5 hormones: auxins, gibberellin, cytokinin, ethylene, oxalic acid. Auxins, cytokinin, gibberellin promotes the growth of the plant. Ethylene and oxalic acid inhibits the growth by seed dormancy. This is all about the plant hormones. Hope you all understand this section.